Seriously, this is the most softest, moist banana bread that I have ever made, and this is super easy. No mixer, no stress. Achieve this perfect banana bread. Don't throw your overripe bananas away. You are just 5 ingredients away from this perfect banana bread. Look at it, it's so soft, so yummy. It really came out perfect. When you make your banana bread like this, your banana bread is going to disappear in minutes because the taste is so good. You wouldn't be able to resist it. You are going to finish it in minutes. So guys, let's get into the process to achieve this perfect banana bread. First off, you need bananas, ripe or overripe bananas. That's the star ingredient. So I'm first of all start by sieving my flour. Please always sieve your flour. It's very important. It makes your flour easy to work with and also to remove any impurities that is inside the flour. So please do sieve your flour before using. So I'll go ahead to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll mix it together and set it aside. I'm using 4 cups of flour, so I'll be listing all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. I'll be using 12 medium size of bananas, so I'm going to match the bananas, not too smooth, just as seen in the video. I'm done matching my banana, so can you see the consistency? This is what we need. So I'll go ahead to add 1 cup of sugar. I'll add 2 cups of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, and 4 eggs. I'm going to mix this together and combine it very well. After mixing properly, because these are my wet ingredients, I'll mix it properly. Then I'm going to go ahead and add it into our dry ingredients. So I'm going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients and mix it together. At this point, I'll mix it very well till everything is mixed together very well, but not over mixing. So this is what we have. Can you see our batter is not too light and not too thick? So at this point, I'll bring out my pan. I'm going to oil it and I'm going to be adding some baking sheets to it. Then I'm going to pour the batter into it. At this point, I've already preheated my oven, so I'll just add my batter into my pan. So I'll be using some chocolate and some cashew as toppings, but if you don't have any, you can skip this process. So I'll just add some toppings into it, and guys, look at what we have. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to add this into the oven now. This is 50 minutes later and our banana bread is ready. Look at what we have. So yummy, so moist. It was so nice. Please, if you've watched up to this point, please kindly click the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.